I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to my channel. Just got a car with a JVC stereo in it. It's the KDR 300. Don't remember that too much. This also covers the A305. I'm going to set the clock because I need to change the time. I figured I could bring you along for the ride as well. Hopefully this helps you out. If it does, give me the thumbs up later on. Let's get right to it. So you'll need your key on if it's not, so that there's power to the radio. And if your radio is not on, here, I'll turn it off. If it looks like that, power it up. There we go. Now, we'll explain this left button here is the menu button. So you're going to have to press that to get into a different mode. And then this round thing is what we're going to call the select and OK button. So turn it to clock. Then you want to press the middle of it to make it go OK. Well, here we'll show you how demo goes. OK, not OK. So that's how you're going to scroll back and forth. But let's go to clock. Clock, punch it. It's OK. And then you want to turn it to set. Press the button. There you go. We've got hours, so you can turn it to whatever it is, then press it once you're happy, and it'll go to minutes. Turn it to the minutes you want. Once you get the right time, leave that button alone and just press the menu button, and it's done. Well, that's going to do it for the video. Thanks for watching. I know it was kind of short. I'll try maybe do one on adjusting presets for the stereo as well. When you do that, I'll put a link right up there. Please subscribe if you like the video too. All sorts of other car related, mostly repairs. You can give me the thumbs up as well if you think the video was worth it. And as always, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. And that's not gonna work either. So that was pretty easy. I just didn't know. I tried